We're going to be grilling Argentinian Provoleta today on the Kenyon G2. And the Kenyon G2 is a tremendous grill as far as versatile capability. Today we put the griddle in there as opposed to the grate. This griddle is unique in that the entire surface is going to be the exact same temperature. You can make it any temperature you want, but it does a great job on cooking foods that are sensitive to temperature and that where you need a solid grill surface that maintains that temperature. So we've got some Argentina Provoleta. Now this is the real thing. You can't buy this in the United States, at least I haven't found it in the United States. I take that back. We actually found a store in Miami that carried it, but they're always out because it's so popular. It's a very strong cheese, very, very flavorful. It's available, believe it or not, on Amazon. You can order it off Amazon. It takes a couple of weeks to get it because they send it from Argentina. But we're just going to take some of the Provoleta, we're going to put it on the grill, which is preheated, about somewhere between medium and 3/4 heat, which is going to work out to about 300 degrees, 350. But it's going to be high, even heat, because you want it to get crisp and you want it to melt evenly. So we're going to put a couple of pieces here on the Kenyon grill. We're going to take a little olive oil, and you can spray it or you can use a baking brush. We're going to spray a little bit on here. Just a little bit, don't need a lot. And you can hear the sizzle. And that's, we did not coat the grill. This is just right off the shelf. You don't need it because there's a lot of natural oils in the cheese itself. So you don't need a lot. The olive oil is mostly for seasoning more than anything else. You don't really need it as a preparation for the cooking surface. So as you can see, it's cooking very fast. So I'm going to go ahead and flip these. And you can see it's already getting very nice and gooey. And then we're going to take a little oregano. And we're just going to put the oregano on top. And I also put cherry tomatoes, sliced cherry tomatoes. I don't have any today, but that also makes really good Provoleta. And the other thing you can do, you can eat the cheese just like it is, but it's nice to be able to put it on crackers or some toasted rye bread. It's a very strong cheese, so you want to serve it that way. You can see how crispy this is getting on the outside. We'll go ahead and take this off. I'm going to put it on the platter here. Let me get a better piece of that. There you go. And we'll let that cool for about maybe 30 seconds, and then we'll cut it, and it will melt in your mouth. And it's the most delicious cheese that you've probably ever had, melted cheese, because it's really pungent and very distinctive flavors.